What's going on, guys, and welcome back, my GG&T fam, you loyal troop. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps out. You can be a part of this right here. We got goodies over here. We just giving them out. You get a goodie, you get a goodie, you get a goodie. That's what we do over here. I'm getting you guys from point A to point B as quick as possible. Today's video is about the iPhone 14. We've seen so many leaks about the iPhone 14, and it's like a cycle, man. With Apple, the leaks, they all come around the same time. And to their credit, they are pretty damn near close, if not spot on, to what the actual iPhone is when it releases. But we are on Forbes.com, and as you can see, we got a slew of iPhone 14 concepts right here. The main thing is this new orangish peaches color. I think it looks cool. If I get the iPhone 14, that will be the color I'll be shooting for. But this front camera, the hole punch type of camera with this little bar next to it, I don't even know how to describe that. Like a little jelly bean. The jelly bean bar, there's no notch. They have this instead, and most of the leaks, like I said, they're similar to this concept, if not exactly the same. So, safe to say, this is most likely what the iPhone 14 is going to be like. They're still going with that iPhone 4 and iPhone 5 overall aesthetic, as far as it being pretty much boxed off with the stainless steel side trim and everything like that, which I'm a big fan of. That's my favorite kind of style iPhone. But what you can see right here, it's been a rumor or leak that the iPhone 14 will receive a 50% increase in RAM compared to the iPhone 13 and 13 mini. That's pretty cool. I mean, I don't have any latency issues or processing issues with my current iPhone, but the faster the better. Will you actually notice it? Maybe. I don't know. If you're still on 4G, will you notice it? I don't know. If you are on 5G and you have the iPhone 14, will you notice it? I don't know. But I do like the color. I say all that to say yes. I do like the color. I like the no notch kind of design. It's pretty cool. And then, you know, the processing power. But look, they got it in this little bluish grayish color. I like it. It looks sleek. It looks cool, man. This is for the modern day-to-day. This got me feeling, walk around looking all fancy. Bing! Bring out that iPhone. Look at that. You see that? You see that? But yeah, to everyone else who's on Samsung and stuff like that, which no shade to Samsung. I had Samsung for years. Y'all know that. It's not much change. It's nothing that's gonna blow you away to make you be like, oh, I have to get that phone. There's a color and no notch and some speed you might not notice. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I would love to hear it. I will respond to everybody. You guys know that. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Let's get it.